With this trick, never have to iron your clothes. If you did not have time to iron a garment, spray this mixture and goodbye wrinkles. Why did not I know it before? To iron is surely the task of the home that we least like to do, and let's face it, we have to do it, no matter how hard we try to stretch our clothes, throw products to the washing machine and tear wrinkles. At the end, a shirt, always have to iron it. First, it is important that you take into account to check the label of your clothes in case you have strict instructions not to use metal hot iron or some other instruction that cannot be ignored. This trick will save you a lot of time and energy, since you can simply eliminate wrinkles without using a flat iron. Ingredients: 1. A spray bottle. 2. 2 cups of water. 3. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. 4. 1 spoonful of hair conditioner. 5. Mix all the ingredients in the bottle. 6. Remove it well. Preparation: 1. Spray a little on the crumpled garment. 2. Finally, you expect it to dry, and that's it.